Hello everyone. Do those cotton materials that gather in your belly button bother you? Well, our clothes are generally made of materials such as wool and cotton, where they consist of thin threads woven together. Over time, those threads get cut and become loose. So you may have noticed that your cloth items such as towels or shirts have become thinner and lighter. You may have also noticed the piling of wool in the wool collector of the clothes dryer. Static electricity works to make fabrics loose, which then make them stick to each other or to other things that are close to them, which then leads to the formation of the piles of lint, which may include human or animal hair, skin, dust, plant fibers, or pollen. When it comes to your clothes, the lint often makes its way to other places, usually the belly button, where it seems to be the optimal place to capture these particles more than the other body parts. So very simply put, this is the reason. An Australian chemist, George Steinhauser, thinks that he knows the reason. He spent 3 years making researches about 500 samples of the navel hair. His research revealed a type of body hair that makes a trap for this lint and pushes it towards the navel. He also discovered 2 factors about this hair. First, this hair has rings that are tight as hooks, which capture shirt and lint threads. Second, this hair grows in circular patterns around the navel, which leads to the accumulation of lint in this particular area. The chemist George Steinhauser tested his idea by shaving his own navel hair, and then came to the conclusion that shaving the hair of this area helped him to prevent cotton lint from accumulating, but it would return to gather again when the hair grows back. The shape of the navel plays an important role in this problem of dirt and stuff accumulating in the belly button. If it is facing outwards, less stuff would accumulate, unlike the inward-facing position, which contributes to the accumulation of larger amount of lint and cotton. Generally, if this problem disturbs you, you can shave the navel's hair and wash it every time you shower. In the end, we would like to remind you of hitting the like button and the subscribes so that you always stay tuned. And if there is someone you care about, do not forget to share this video with him. Stay healthy.